Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook tom sap or Thai spicy braised beef soup. This beef soup is originated from northeastern part of Thailand where my hometown is, and it's very nice because it's similar to tom yum but it's cooked from beef. So pre-cook we need to braise the beef until it becomes soft, so which I have about 2 cups of braised beef here. For these portions I cook for 2 serving, 5 slices of galangal, 1 stalk of lemongrass, 5 pieces of kaffir lime leaf. This is cilantro leaf or salted coriander. I don't really see this vegetable being used for Malaysian cooking, but in Thailand it's quite common. And we have basil leaf, about 600 ml of beef stock. If you do not have beef stock, you can use water, it's fine. And about 5 pieces of shallots cut into medium size, just like that. And 1 teaspoon of chili flake. This one is very spicy, it's from Thailand, so I use very little. I might not be using all of this as well. And I have 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to put all the beef stock into the pot and going to bring it to boil. So I'm going to put all these ingredients in the soup. And I'm going to cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, the soup is boiling. I just want to let it boil for about 1 or 2 minutes just to make sure that the galangal and the lemongrass have released the aroma nicely. Alright, the soup is boiling, so I'm going to put in the beef. I'm going to put in all the beef. Oh, looks so nice. Put in half of the salt in the soup and cover the lid. Let the beef boil again for another 1 or 2 minutes just to make sure that the soup and the beef is really mixed well and cooked together before we put in seasoning. Alright, the soup is boiling vigorously, so I am going to put in the sugar. I'm going to put in half of the fish sauce first. Just want to make sure that in case it doesn't be too salty. Now I can taste it. Alright, we're going to put all the fish sauce in, and then I'm going to switch off the heat. Put in the lime juice. I'm going to put in 2 spoons first. We need to taste it first in case it's too sour. Wow, got a bit of salty, a bit of sour, so not enough sour. I'm just going to add in 1 more spoon, and then I'm going to add in all the chili. Oh, so nice. And sweet basil leaf. Once all the herbs and spices go in, smells so good. And cilantro, final taste. Wow, it's enough taste, very delicious. It has got a salty taste, sour, sweet, but it is not spicy, so I want to add in a little bit more chili flake. For the chili, you can adjust according to your preference, so this is I add on. Alright, then we can go and serve. Wow, look at that, the soft beef. So good. The beef is very tender, The soup is very flavorful with spicy, sour, sweet and salty, plus the aroma of the sweet basil leaf. Wow, I really give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.